Okay, it's a little bit of a test. I'm going to try and set up a video editing this shot. I'm going to show you some of the standard manipulations that I perform in Lightroom. So we've opened this up out of the library. We're in the develop module. The first thing I'm going to do is come to the lens corrections and put in the lens profile. And you can see I took this with a wide angle zoom. It was taken on a 60D. This is the basic out of camera image in Adobe as Adobe standard with the current processing. Next thing we're going to go up to is detail, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring a little bit of noise reduction, because what I find is that the DxO software will bring in a little bit more noise. So I'm going to bring up sharpening as well, and I'm going to mask that off. What you can't see is I'm pressing the Alt key, and I'm going to bring that up to about 70 or so that I'm just sharpening the edges of the shot. Okay, so we're ready to go. That's the basic processing. Next thing I'm going to do is something I use a lot, is I'm going to use the gradient tool. I'm going to use that on exposure. We can set, these are the presets that come with Lightroom. These are some I've added. So we're going to select exposure. We're going to bring the exposure down maybe by sort of half a stop or so, and we're going to just drag that down from the top, because I want to just darken the reflection and the glass of the building, and I think that will do. That's done. So at this point then we're going to move this and edit in Colour Efex Pro 4. So going into that, settings, uncompressed TIFF file, the greatest bit depth, biggest file. May as well use all the information you've got out of your lovely expensive camera. No point limiting that. We're going to go into edit mode. So what's happening is Lightroom is creating a TIFF file from our raw file, applying those basic manipulations that we've done, and it's going to open it in Colour Efex Pro 4, and there is the result. Now we can compare. What I've got here, let's not forget that, is that I'm in Detail Extractor. See it over here on the right, and I'm using these settings that are it's defaulting to. It will hold the last used settings. So these are the last used settings, and if we click on the compare up here at the top, you can see what we're getting, and I'm pretty happy with that. You can see the effect of our darkening. It's just giving this a richer tones. I like that. So at this point we're just gonna, I'm not going to add anything else. We're going to save that, and it's going to save that another copy back into Lightroom with then our manipulations. So that's what we're going to do. Now I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to create another one where I'm going to show you how I'm going to manipulate this file with DxO viewpoint software. So see you in the next video.